Hello, here we are for the test of exactly the fabric we received from our customer. Well, this is a high quality wool and is of course double face. We take our caliber and we put it on the 0. Okay, 0. Then we take the size of the fabric, we have to sweep, and we see that is 1 millimeter point 2. So it would be easy to us to start, push, and the under table knob, and 1.2 is 0.6 per part. The top on the button have to be set to 0.6. Then we just make a fast adjustment, 0.6, and this is the level of the deck. And here 0.6, we hit 0 here, 1 clockwise, and is 6. Then we fix with the knob in the bottom and on the top, and begin to press the button, the pedal, and the rotation of the game. Then we put inside. Here it is. And it is perfectly divided. We put another place. The same. Of course, depend on the kind of fabric, the kind of joint of the material. If it's better the division sweeping from right to left or from left to right, like I told even in our previous video. Here is another material. I take the side. The size is almost the same, so we can try to cut at the same. I don't think we'll have a problem. Here it is. Perfectly divided. Even the cornering is absolutely perfect. Then we take another sample. This is a little bit larger, so 1.8, it will be 0.9, 0.9. I adjust 0.9. And 0.9. Here you are. Of course, You have a small guide that allows you to have a reference for that about how much depth you want the division, but of course you can adjust even that one or going under the guide and make a more deep division. Into the DC70 you can around take a division about at 3 centimeter. Let's check with another fabric. Okay, 0. Here is 1.3, so about 75. 0.75, the same. Okay. Here it is. When the fabric is so soft like this one, you can even lower the size, but usually it is perfect when you make a calculation of the middle of the fabric. I check once again. Here it is, perfectly divided. .1 is just a bit smaller. Okay, we go to 65 and 65. Here, this is a very soft wool, so what will happen is that you will find of course the dust of the wool during the cutting. So I can suggest you to blow some air compression in order to clean the blade 2-3 times per day. Another way to clean the blade is make the blade rotating and push this one or this one just to take off, not the sharpener, but in this case you don't have to sharpen, you have just to remove the dust from the blade.